Alrighty, Tina, here's your 3-3 small block Chevrolet. Description of this combination. Got our cast stamps on it. One of our CNC blocks. Custom drive hydraulic roller. And we got the Moroso pan on it for you. And these valve covers are what you requested. Go in there and make a run, see what it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3400, it's 442 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 463, peak horsepower 450, rated at 425, so everything is good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you find this thing, look at that credit card, it's a USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Really recommend plugging in and watching it. On your engine be this tag, it'll have an engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, the engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, take you some other tech stuff. So lots of stuff there, pay attention to it, and have a great day.